come to Yogafaith this weekend not even knowing what all the Lord was going to do.
This experience has just been life-changing.
I was absolutely redeemed on my yoga mat at my immersion. Words cannot describe the connection that I had with the Holy Spirit during that time. It's an absolute honor and a privilege to lead others through Christ-centered yoga.
I showed up to this immersion with intentions of learning the physical aspects of yoga. But once I arrived, I not only received physical healing, I have received mental clarity, wisdom, emotional healing from trauma from when I was an 8-year-old girl was released on my mat at this immersion.
They really shepherd their instructors, and they come alongside them, they mentor them, they're there for them, and give them all the opportunities that are available for instructors in this industry to be successful.
Yogafaith has changed my life. It has changed the way I am a wife, a mother, a teacher altogether, and I'm so grateful for that. And I would not have gotten that on any other yoga training program anywhere else in the world.
After this experience, I definitely want to go out forth into the community and spread the good news of the faith of Jesus, but also the healing of yoga and the Yogafaith name and brand, because my heart is so full.
Immersion has given me new life. It has given me purpose. It has given me a calling.
Every day of this immersion has been just unbelievable. I've grown so much in my spiritual journey, and I think they've got me prepared to move forward with this Yogafaith journey.
We are a community here. We are teachers. I do calls with instructors all the time. I am your person. If you're having a specific problem, we get on the phone and we talk. It is helpful to have a community that helps you.
I can't explain how life-changing it is. Like my Yogafaith instructor said, it would just be life-changing, but you can't wrap your head around it. You really just have to experience it.
I'm so grateful for the new friends that are divine connections that I know I've made this weekend.
Words cannot describe how thankful I am for Yogafaith and everything that it means to be a Christ-centered yoga teacher.
You come here, you gain a family, and you take that family with you forever. And so when I think about Yogafaith, I think most important about Jesus and about serving people, and then second about yoga.